Hello guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add admin on Facebook page, and we're going to start right away. Now first thing first, go to your Facebook profile account. Next you need to switch the right page you want to add an admin, and you can do that by clicking on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of your screen, and these options will pop up. Now go ahead and click on see all profile. Now once you have more than one page you manage, they'll be listed as shown on my screen here. So just go ahead and click on your preferred page. For me, I'll just choose my own page right here, and once you are switched to the desired page, on that page's homepage, click on your profile icon, the top right hand corner of your screen again. Then next on these options, click on settings and privacy. Next here, click on settings. Under your settings, go to your left hand pane and click on new pages experience. Under these settings, you'll see page access. It's right here. Go to your right, and under manage and view access, you will see these options. You need to come down here to people with Facebook access and click on add new, right? And this whole window will pop up on your screen showing you the exact thing will happen after giving these people access to your page. Now you can go through them. Once you are done, just click on next down here. The next here you need to type in the name of the person you want to add as an admin in this search bar, right? Now as you'll be typing in their name, the pop-up and suggestion of similar name will be appearing on your screen. Now once you see the right person you want to add with their profile picture, you can just click on their name. Like for me here, this is the right person I want to add as an admin on my page. Then I'll just click on him. Then next here you'll be shown what that person will be able to do on your page once given access. So if you want to give that person full access to your page, you can just click on this button right here. Then next click on give access button. Then the final step here, you need to confirm your action by providing your Facebook account a password, and once you're done, just click on confirm, and the invite as an admin to your page will be sent to that person, and they'll need to accept it on their end to become an admin to your page. So guys, it's that simple. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.